Paying with a Cash App card on a phone is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, launch the Cash App on your phone. If you don't have the app installed, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and set up an account. If you're not already signed in, you will need to sign in to your Cash App account. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account. Once logged in, you should see your Cash Card displayed in the app. If you haven't linked your Cash Card to your account yet, you will need to do so. Follow the prompts to link your card by entering the card details. Before making a payment, you may want to check your Cash Card balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. You can view your balance in the Cash App by navigating to the Cash Card section. When you're ready to make a payment using your Cash Card, navigate to the Cash Card or banking section of the app and select your Cash Card as the payment method. Enter the payment details, including the amount you wish to pay and the recipient's information. Before completing the payment, review the transaction details to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, confirm the payment to proceed. Depending on your Cash App settings and security preferences, you may need to authorize the payment using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once the payment is processed successfully, you will receive a confirmation message in the Cash App, and the recipient will receive the funds in their Cash App account. If you require a receipt for the transaction, you can typically find it in the transaction history section of the Cash App.